Parker Estate Agency proudly presents this wonderful lakeside renovation home. A perfect home for renovation lovers with a serene lakeside view, located in San Kampayang, Chiang Mai. This two-story detached house features a solid structure and a spacious 254 square wa. The back of the house overlooks a peaceful lake, offering a relaxing and private atmosphere. This property offers a very strong structural foundation, ideal for future renovation plans. The location is in a non-flood zone, providing security, stability, and excellent long-term living conditions. 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 parking spaces, and 2 maids quarter. The whole house is bright, airy, and full of natural light. Asking price, 9.5 million baht. Discover your dream home with Parker Estate Agency. Call us now for a private visit. 09423 09684.